If you were to meet a god on the street, would you recognize him? Most definitely not, since God is not a three-dimensional or multi-dimensional figure, nor is God a single-dimensional entity. The idea of God as a figure is a human creation, a way to give a shape to the unknown reality. However, this human-created God is purely fictitious and doesn't accurately represent the supreme reality. It is human imagination that gave rise to the God in man's own image, shaping and influencing the phenomenal world for believers of organized religions. In Einstein's belief, God was grounded in the revelation of a divine presence within the orderly harmony of existence of the universe or multiverse.
I believe in Spinoza's God, who reveals himself in the orderly harmony of what exists, not in a God who concerns himself with the fates and actions of human beings. I cannot conceive of a personal God who would directly influence the actions of individuals or would directly sit in judgment on creatures of his own creation.
Contrary to a God preoccupied with the fates and action of human beings or their accumulation of good or bad karma, Einstein's conception of the divine focus on the inherent order and balance present in the vast cosmic reality. For centuries, our obsession with finding proof of God in physical form has been constrained by our 5 sensory and 5 motor organs, as well as our limited intelligence and knowledge. The true nature of the supreme reality is a live consciousness present in every capable organism. Attempting to put a shape or form around this consciousness, which is a free-flowing spirit, is not possible. Recognition of the supreme reality as a pure consciousness becomes evident when we understand that our true self aligns with the power that manifests everything in the universe. This realization requires withdrawing attention from the constraint of 5 senses and focusing on the single element of pure consciousness. The purpose of yoga is to align oneself with this supreme reality or supreme consciousness. Distinguishing between the consciousness each living being possesses and pure unadulterated consciousness is crucial. Our consciousness is often muddled and mixed with external noises from the world around us, sensed by our 5 senses. Pure consciousness can only be perceived by our inner consciousness, akin to mixing two streams of water to create perfect union that is inseparable. Any personal God created by humans cannot be equated with the creator of the universe. Trusting such a personal God to understand the universe in its true sense is misplaced, as the universe originated from unmanifested energy. According to Rigveda, in the beginning there was neither existence nor non-existence. The entire world was unmanifested energy.
The Rigveda contains a captivating hymn that eloquently articulates the essence of creation. It asserts that the origin of all existence lies in pure consciousness, an inherent potentiality yearning for expression, transitioning from the unmanifest to the manifest. This hymn portrays the genesis of the universe as a transition from a state of neither existence nor non-existence to the emergence of the manifested world from unmanifested energy. It poetically describes a primal force that breathes life into existence, underscoring the omnipotent power inherent in this cosmic process.
The universe is pure potentiality created from pure consciousness seeking expression from the unmanifested reality to the manifested world. Desire, like primal seed, originated from the mind of unknown and played a significant role in shaping the universe. Also, Rigveda concludes that neither the gods nor the human will ever know how the universe was created or came to be.